want to thank you for hanging out with us tonight. We are XO bringing you live music.